Ahee, namukena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course, mtata I like Ben Mangan the president. Lo nga ta king link of course na Master KG. Then amakum of course ta ke telela mega gash na manlo. Yeah, so as you remember it on October, oh you have end video for komisa ko Makazi was impressed. Runga sim of course ra Ben Mangan. If I'm gonna say one of that video ntakomela me click a link on top comment I can vekele a video there. However, eka siku of course ra 2 ta October ku ngena a comment from Cancer for unkomisa ku hey no Master KG was impressed loko really family ya verify of course. Yeah, as you can see kwalano leka Instagram Ben Man the president kwalano as you can see so yena lava scroll so if I pfula similar of course inga fire poster lera men i clip ya men leyi tlanga kula okay. As they continue on the background. So if I look at the comments as you can see nala vapfula directly so if I kuma ku himpero kuna Master KG as you can see loni like kula yena lo Master KG fika hot no so mayingani shifike this year mos phela Master KG na an international artist kuve Makazi at first lo Makazi I like it there in hala ka TikTok nona na yena a follow na yena aya ko hot no so mranga phando show fika kunta ka what's happening this year. So as you can see lo ang click Master KG impeli yena kumbe shana standard star shiri kona guys lo zisho sona Master KG no I mean Makazi va khawanda so shintu sona ka malambana ku Makazi of course ande na clip of course ari karhi a imbelela malambana mkarhi so lo Master KG as you can see verified sweswo 2 million followers yena ina Master KG impela akutlanga sweswo huwa la kuntu sweswo huwa na makaliwa so sweswo rezi ta ke wona swi komela ku nga ku tatika ka project ya kona yeah and then of course ke wonza of course ithlela ka Gagashi na Mandwe of course tana swimi swi Gagashi munhu wa ti-file na rhoko hi kombiseni ku a endla 13k so ka sungula of course ra 2 ta October i fika kombisa la aku yima va ku vona nsati wa mina 150,000 rand na tihomu timbirhi to nona as you can see then Africa of course Africa posta nsati wa yena kwalaho so it's very clear he's trying to say ku i lowerini Gagashi hi 150,000 rand ni ku mina na tihomu timbirhi kwalana a tlhandlekela phela another 20,000 or even more ku tihomu ta kho fika ti-poster laniwa so homu yi costa kwala ka 10,000 between 10,000 and 15,000 rand normally wona mhaka leyi normally at the most vo ma 15 ya hi nga vula ku a swi lo Gagashi spend 170,000 rand ka Mandwe or slightly more so hi ngo between 170 to 180,000 rand loko so Gagashi spend mali yo tala ngo ka that wedding lo lantisa va spend mali yo tala ngo I mean like I don't doubt go yi then 500,000 rand nga vula loyi it's above 500,000 rand lo ve ke nongza swilo leswi va nga swi endla la phela fike hi tlhe nongza mhaka ya ti-rank na tona I mean like ti-cost leti nga la tele ngopfu mhaka kuma swi tsutsumela ku ma 50 swi tele ti-cost leti ti ri la plus na ti-artists a ti rhambiwini laka ku rhambiwa swi ti-professional na security laka ya swi hlanganahlanganini swilo la guys a swi hlanganahlanganini swilo lani na ti-deco mi swi vonini hinkwako decorate ka Mandwe na hala ka Gagashi na ku decorate like a lot of things were involved there ya xi setting standard Gagashi set standard xin'wana xi kulukumba ngopfu na mabyala swixawini mi ta swo ka outro byi tlhe byi va tsandzana vanhu ta hi khe hi vekela video clip makumu of course loko yi hela video a xi bin Gagashi hayi to ku congratulations once more hayi set standard man swi ta tika swinene ku va munhu a tlula that wedding la ka Gaza la swi ta tika swinene hayi leswo huwa so loko ku ri amukeza msasika bantu ta kombela mi teka subscribe
byi tsandzile byona byi va tsandzile byi tsandzile komba relax dzwonile byi tsandzile byi va tsandzile byi va tsandzile vuyani mi ta na namuntlha i Monday vuyani mi ta na byala lexi byala bya ri ko vuya ni mitano byi tswala vuya mitano vuya mitano byala lebyi la byi tele mo vuya mitano kota mitano vuya ni mitano la mati ya continue